Welcome to 4alarmclocks.com. Today we're looking at the Equity Large Display Quick-Set Electric Alarm Clock with Keypad. Equity by Crosse offers a 2-year warranty on this extremely popular clock that's easy to see, easy to set, very simple electric alarm clock. Has a unique top-mounted keypad that lets you easily set the time and alarm by just pushing the buttons to the time you want. Has a 1.8-inch red LED display with a high and low dimmer. You can put it down low for night use so it doesn't light up your room too much, and of course during the day, or if you like it bright at night, that's fine too. 9-minute big easy repeating snooze bar. It's electrically operated, and it has battery backup to save the time and alarm settings in case of a power failure. So if you wanted to set your alarm, all you have to do is slide this button right here on the top here over to alarm. That's it. And let's say you want to get up at 7:15, you just hit the 7 on the keypad, and then when the numbers come over there, you just hit 15. You're done. You slide this back to the middle. You're ready to go. Couldn't be easier. Great quality. This is a real winner, folks. Equity by Crosse, and again, it comes with a 2-year warranty. Now we're going to let you hear the alarm. And the alarm has both a high and a low tone, so we're going to let you hear it both on the lower volume and the higher volume, and it is an ascending alarm as well. Okay, there's your low tone. I'll make it a little louder. And there you have it.